everybody, Connor from Tech Everything Pro, and today I wanted to tell you guys that I'm starting a new series called Road to Building a Custom Computer. Now I had a budget of $1,200, so I am going to be going through the parts that you should choose to build your very own custom computer for around $1,200. So the first part I'm going to be going over is the CPU, which I chose the Core i5 6600K, which I have right here, and it's a pretty fast processor already, but you can overclock it, and that's why I chose this processor. Great overclocker, and it's a new CPU, and this CPU retails for about $250, and I picked it up for $249 off of Amazon. Now this price probably fluctuates a bit depending on where you get it from. I think Outlet PC had it for about $240, and then I think Micro Center has it if you pick it up in the store for about $219, which is a steal. So if you have a Micro Center near you, go ahead and pick that up, because that is a really good deal for this CPU. So that is why I went with this CPU. It will be great for gaming. And okay, so here's the processor. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the box here. Just need to cut it open, and gonna open this part right here. So the first thing you'll notice is this cardboard box. It holds the CPU, so just be careful with it. And then you'll also find the manual / like warning stuff, instructions. There's a little tape thing on the side, so just kind of rip it open carefully so you don't rip the paper as well. Just a bunch of warning stuff and instructions. I'm going to put it aside really quick and look at the CPU. So just got to open it. Oh, I accidentally dropped it. That's okay. So I'm gonna open it here, and the first thing you'll notice about this is that there's no actual pin sticking out of the bottom, which I have not really seen on CPUs before. So that's kind of interesting, but you do see that is an Intel Core i5 6600K. Clocked at 3.5 gigahertz. It does have a turbo boost, up to 3.9 gigahertz, and you can overclock it still. So great CPU, and that's what I'm going to be using in this build. So for my next video, I will be doing the motherboard that goes along with this, and I of course got the Z170 chipset, because that allows you to overclock it. So that's going to be for another video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.